The team Asteroid Destroyers, and here we are presenting our solution. Mobile banking fraud is rising fast. Malicious Android apps silently steal OTPs, abuse accessibility permissions, and leak your data to attackers. Today's tools either miss new threats or dump raw logs no one can read. We built a system that catches this, fast, evidence-backed, and explained in plain language. So we drag and drop a suspicious APK, say a fake banking app. In the background, our fast API service uses AndroGuard to statically extract everything. Hashes, manifest data, permissions, sensitive API calls, hard-coded strings, and IOCs, and the signing certificate. Once extraction completes, the job status flips to completed, and a composite 0 to 10 risk score is generated. Here's the full picture. Package info, permissions, API calls, components, and certificate details all in one view. One click cross-checks all the file hash against VirusTotal, pulling in detection counts across dozens of AV engines, popular threat names, and community tags. We also run AI analysis on this. This feeds the evidence through our RAG pipeline and Gemini 2.5 Flash. It returns a structured verdict: safe, suspicious, or malicious, with confidence threat category, plain language reasoning, and recommended action, that is, allow, investigate, quarantine, or check. And if you want to dig deeper, you can always get the decompile APK. From upload to verdict in under a minute, with full evidence, not just a black box score. Our backend is Python on Fast API and UVCon. Our frontend is React, and everything's containerized with Docker Compose, deployed on Google Cloud Run and Vercel partly. So one of the layer is static extraction, and it is built on AndroGuard. This is where we pull hashes, manifest data, components, permissions mapped to risk taxonomy, sensitive API calls, and categorize string into IOCs like URLs, IPs, keys, etc. Layer 2 is threat intelligence. We call the VirusTotal v3 API using the extracted SHA-256 hash, merging community detection data straight into investigation view. And the next layer is GenAI reasoning. It is where it gets interesting, our RAG pipeline. We chunk each analysis into type segments: identity, behavior, IOC, and risk, embed them with all mini-LM L6v2 model, and then store them in ChromaDB. For every new APK, we retrieve similar past cases and built a structured prompt for Gemini 2.5 Flash, which returns a validated JSON verdict. Every index sample makes future verdicts smarter. Next, we are adding a QEMU-based dynamic analysis driven by a vision LLM to catch behavior that only triggers on user real interaction. This is Asteroid Destroyer's team turning raw malware evidence into strong answers anyone can trust.